Put it on the paper now. Paint the paper.
I'm getting a birdhouse.
Oh, so you decided to use more colors. Alex, on your birdhouse?
Huh?
You decided to use more than one color?
Done with the roof. Roof's done.
Don't get it on your arm sleeves, Eli.
Oh.
You didn't dry off your brush.
Oh.
Okay. Dry it off next time because you're making your paint watery. Why are we doing the birdhouses?
For Grandpa.
For Grandpa's birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, do you like to paint?
Mama.
Huh. No more. No more. No more.
That's all